In today's video we are visiting Argal Lake Nature Reserve and Maenporth Beach in Falmouth. First we visited Argal Lake. Argal Lake is situated rurally between the villages of Mabe and Mawnan Smith near to Penryn in Falmouth. The lake walk is about 2 miles long. It's a circular trail with beautiful countryside, lake and nature views. You can also walk the linking trail to College Lake for a longer walk if you wish. There is tons of green space and lakeside flat surface for kids to play or to sit and have a picnic or a barbecue, and you can also fish here in the lake. There's a small cafe called Wild Vibes on the edge of the lake which serves tea and cake. After this we visited the lovely Maenporth Beach. It's a fairly sheltered sandy cove on the outskirts of Falmouth. Due to its sheltered nature it's great for swimming and water sports and great for kids to play. It has fab facilities such as a beach edge parking, cafe and toilets. There's a shipwreck just off the shore too. This is quite famous and often explored by local divers. Due to the ability to park right on the beach edge and this being free in off-season, this is a popular spot for locals throughout the winter. This can become quite congested in the summer months, but let's go take a look around.
Right, let's go.
Joey, come! Let's go like that. Joey comes the best.
Where are we going, Joey?
And that's all the guys in that
10 minutes, 14 seconds.
Let's go look at that. We got the tree. And then the pool. And then the tree. Musky.
It's spooky.
Yeah, that's musky and it's scary.
Spooky and scary. Is it spooky and scary, George?
Yeah. Go.
Let's go. Good idea.
Go now.
Let's get out of the spooky scary bit. That's cool, isn't it, Jojo?
The actual thing, but this is like the path. We went all the way down here, round and back.
Me. Sitting by the beach. In the beach. Look at rocks. In the sand. In the house.
Showing in the sun.
In the sewage. There's a rock.
That is a rock.
Hello.
Thanks, Joey.
Joey.
You want it?
Should probably turn it
Oh,
off.
Do you want it?
got it the wrong way round.
Can you turn it around?
Is it on? Is it on?
Can Mummy turn it off? What is that?
That's a shell boy.
Wow, what did you find?
A shell with little rocks.
You found a shell in all those rocks.
Yeah, I
Good job.
got it.
You got it.
I'm back.